Hi, welcome to Store.
Hey, I bought these headphones the other day. I wanted to know if I can return them.
Do you have a receipt?
No, I don't have any more.
Do you have the card that you pay with?
I think I paid in cash, actually.
No, I don't think you can return them.
Why can't I just return them?
Well, it's not like I could just put them in the system without one or the other.
I paid money for this.
Well, it's not like I could just put them
I don't want these headphones anymore. I want to return them.
All right, well,
they
it's
won't let
not-
me return these
Well, if you
headphones.
stop
I want my
interrupting
money
me-
back. No. You know what? Give me your manager. Give me your manager.
All right.
Hey, how you doing? What can I help you with?
So I got these headphones, and I want to return them.
Do you have a receipt?
Let me talk to your district manager.
Well, about that, our district is actually like
Shut
pretty
up.
busy.
Shut up. I want to talk to the district manager.
All right, I'll go get him.
All right, how can I help you?
So I got these headphones, and I want to return them.
Do you have a card or a receipt?
Get me the president
Of the company?
of the United States of America.
You realize how difficult it would be to contact the president right now?
No. Shut up. I need him on the phone right now.
Get the president on the phone. Okay.
Hello?
Yes?
Is this the president
Yes?
of the United States?
Yeah, how did you get my number?
Okay, so they won't let me return these headphones, and I want to return these headphones. I bought them.
All it sounds like you just need a receipt.
Did you just hang up?
I want to speak to the United Nations.
You know, because this is getting ridiculous. I'm really
Wheeler High School's robotics team, the Circuit Runners, recently won the state competition. Now they're heading to the world competition in April. Their mentor and coach, Morris Burwanger, talked about them. Let's take a look.
What happened is there's a state competition, and robotics is kind of strange. There's a lot of different awards, but the big one to win is called the Inspire Award, and they won that there.
I'm the team lead of FTC 1002 Circuit Runners Surge, which we recently won the Inspire Award at Georgia State Championships last Saturday, which means we're advancing to Worlds.
I'm in charge of the outreach and community service stuff that we do, and I'm also in charge of making the portfolio, a 15-page document about everything that we do throughout the season. Judges grade to decide on awards.
I'm a programmer for the team, and I'm also the marketing lead. I help with the programming section of the notebook that won the award. It was a ton of fun, and obviously we made it to Worlds.
Because of COVID, the last couple of years, the world competition has been canceled. So since my freshman year, this has been the first time the world competition has been a thing. So, of course, it's huge to finally achieve that dream.
This is pretty important to me since my freshman year. We went to Worlds as well, so that was 4 years ago at this point, and we actually advanced off Inspire Award, so it's great to see how my journey has kind of come full circle, and I started with Inspire Award. I'm ending with Inspire Award at Worlds too.
The team, every team can nominate a mentor for, it's called the Compass Award, so our team here, they nominated me, and I was the lucky one who won.
Mr. Burwanger, first of all, is just excellent with the students. So he lets us stay in the shop and watches over us, make sure that we're safe, first of all. And he's amazing for at least sparking our creativity and letting us actually explore and do what we want to do. I don't know, one of the big memories that I have with him, at least of this past season, is that a bird actually got into the robotics shop, and he helped us catch it and release it safely.
Yeah, it's a bunch of fun watching everything come together, and if you're not already a part of robotics, I highly encourage you to join it next year.
World Champs are in Houston, April 29th. Good luck to our Circuit Runners team. Thanks for watching Wildcat TV. I'm Elia Hewlett.
So, how did BSU come up with this fashion week? How did it start?
So, in the beginning of the semester, BSU likes to do a group brainstorm of just the events that we want to do for the year. And after compiling a bunch of ideas, we decided to do a fashion week because Black fashion has been very pivotal for America. And then Bryce, one of our members, was the one who helped us finalize all the days for it.
Tuesday is streetwear. So, why Virgil Abloh?
Virgil Abloh unfortunately passed away last year, and he was such a pivotal icon in the fashion industry with Off-White. He did collabs with Louis Vuitton, and I felt like it would have been nice to recognize him this way.
To our principal, Mr. Gillihan, the administration, Cobb County School District officials, teachers, faculty, and staff.
right now I think I don't carry on. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change won't come. Oh, yes it will.
If you're rich, had Jeff Bezos type money, what would be your biggest purchase?
A yacht. I don't even like the ocean, but I've like, you know,
You gonna invite people on that yacht?
No, I'm not even gonna use it. I just want to have a yacht. I want to say, yeah, I have a yacht.
I own a yacht.
Exactly. I own a big old boat.
I'd probably pay off my family's debt. I don't know, buy a house.
That's so wholesome.
If you're rich, what would be your biggest purchase?
We're talking like Jeff Bezos rich? I'm buying an island.
An island?
Oh yeah.
All right, if you're rich, what would be your biggest purchase?
A mansion. If you were rich, what would be your biggest purchase?
A very expensive piece of art so I can show it off to my guests.
I'd probably distribute it a bit, you know, be strategic with it. Maybe put some into stocks, pay off some of my parents' debt.
If you had Jeff Bezos money, what would be your biggest purchase?
Bitcoin. That's how you get richer.
I know about y'all, but I'm booking it to Miami and getting a condo, like straight up, and then getting a tiger.
All right, big money. What you buying?
First thing, I'm gonna buy a professional portrait maker or NFT maker. I'm gonna get them to make a force of me going.
I'm gonna get an army of whales, right? And then a submarine, and then I'm gonna be a whale with the whales, bro.
A giraffe to be taller.
A McDonald's franchise.
I would probably buy like a house, some cars.
I would buy like as many animals as I could, like cats and dogs, and try and house and like feed them all and take care of them all.
So if y'all were rich, y'all had a lot of money, what would be your biggest purchase?
Build a mama house.
A Tesla?